Igbo, gekwenụ ntị ihe Governor Soludo si ka ọ gwa unu. Listen to this video.
56 years ago. Because still, our youth from the southeast, and particularly from Anambra, the last recruitment exercise into the army and even into the police force, the Anambra, I think, had the lowest expression of interest in the country. I want to use this opportunity to call on our youth to enlist in the armed forces of Nigeria. Nigeria belongs to all of us.
Really?
We cannot participate in it by avoiding it. We cannot be full members, but at the same time get out. This is one area where we are marginalizing ourselves. Has ended.
All right, hold on. Let me show you his son, Ozonna. Okay? Yeah, nwa ya nwoke nọ na UK, Ozonna, Governor Soludo's son. You see him? You see his son in the United Kingdom, enjoying his life, spending government money, So basically, I want to react to this video from Governor Soludo. Also, that Nanda Anambra in particular being here another enlist. First of all, let us go back to history, because you have to go back to history to understand what is going on now. So he said that we are no longer in a civil war. The war ended since 1960, whatever. My dear, we are still in a civil war. But the war that we are in right now is a guerrilla warfare against Igbo people, number one. And then we are also in what I call tribal war against Igbo people. Go all over social media. There is Igbophobia going on in Nigeria against Igbo people. Everywhere you go. For instance, just yesterday, I read an article where I think about 15 medical students, they want to do their housemanship in Calabar. They were turned back because they were Igbos and because they are Igbos. And then look at what happened in Lagos. Lagos market fires. I made up to 4 videos about it. They are constantly destroying Igbo people's properties in Lagos and even bringing down the buildings. Igbo shops are being burnt in Lagos almost every month. Go to different parts of the country, they are buying Igbo people, even in Southeast. In Achiga Southeast, Iketa, before you get to Enugu, or you are moving from one little community to the other on the expressway, you will see checkpoints, military checkpoints. 1 kilometer, you already see another one, another half kilometer. So many checkpoints, they are exploiting our people. I watched a video whereby they took some passengers into the bush, some young Igbo people, just because they have Mercedes-Benz. So Igbo people have been marginalized in Nigeria since 1960, and it is still going on till now. And that is why Nnamdi Kanu has been agitating for Biafra. Where is Nnamdi Kanu now? You guys locked him up. We already know that all of you Igbo politicians, all of you have teamed together, to get Nnamdi Kanu arrested, so that you can come and be telling us about this rubbish. Fulani, that is Yupo's master, they are not going to come and Islamize us. Yes, that is the agenda. Gumabu Soludo, I'm mad that the plan is for you to move to APC. If you want to move to APC as an individual, that is your business. But just know that APC is not for Southeast. Military of Nigeria and police is not for us, because we know what is there. In that their military, even those of our brothers and sisters that are in the military, they don't promote them. Musa that was promoted, is he not from Sokoto? Have they ever mentioned any Igbo person that was promoted in Nigeria to a very high top rank, or even as a judge or anything? The area is completely marginalized, and that is why Igbo people are doing what? Hustling for themselves. You will not see an Igbo young man gaga mere onwe business more cho one thing no this ogeme you say ajeje ban na Nigerian army. It's an insult to us to ask us to enter the army. Where is your son? All of you politicians, your children are abroad. So, I just showed the video of your son. He's dancing. He's here in the UK. So whenever Ozonna enters Nigerian military and Nigerian Air Force, then we will follow suit. As long as Ozonna is still in the UK dancing on social media, we are not going anywhere. Nigerian military is not it is not even attractive. Make you even carry the IGBO phobia or whatever, ethnic anything, keep it on the side. Nigerian military is horrible. Have you ever seen where they live? Have you ever seen their living conditions? Have you ever seen their hospitals? If you see the state of their living, you will cry for them. It is better for anybody in this Nigeria to be even a farmer. And I'm not even talking about a commercial farmer. I'm talking about a subsistent farmer. Or maybe you are a shoemaker. It's better for you to be a shoemaker than for you to be in the military in Nigeria. Unless, of course, you are the top rank. So please stop wasting our time. Nigerian military is not our portion. Nigerian Air Force is not our portion. Nigerian police is not our portion. They do not like Igbo people in Nigeria. And if an Igbo person enlists, they will make sure that they buy that person there. They will take that person to the war front and buy that person in front of the war front. We know their plans. Go to even Imo State, they have the tiger base where they buy our people. So please stop insulting us by asking us to go and enlist in the army. An Igbo man does not have time. We are busy with our business. Maybe shop at the age of 30 as a young Igbo man. Only actually with business and they may import and export. Those that want to go and study, they go and travel abroad and study and they become somebody. Tomorrow they get married before they are 40. So what are you talking about? Which army man is making up to 200,000 naira a month? None of them is making even up to 150,000. And 200,000 naira a month is nothing compared to what you can make as a businessman. So why would I, as an Igbo businessman or as an Igbo businesswoman, why would I leave business that I can invest in? And every month I'm making millions and then go and enlist in your useless army that will buy me. So the life of B-Lord, you know they sweet you. B-Lord is a billionaire at the age of 27. He's 27 years old and he's a billionaire. Making money and making businesses work. And you expect somebody like him to leave his business and go and join the army. Please, guys, let me know what you have to say about this statement by the governor of Anambra State, whose son happens to be in the United Kingdom and is asking Nigerian Igbos to go and enlist in the army. Chukwuaju.